Vistefly V15. This cordless vacuum will work effectively on multiple surface types such as hardwood floors, tile, and a variety of carpets. Let your vacuum cleaner carpet and floor do the thinking with smart sensor to take the strain out of everyday cleaning. 2. Company 2023. This vacuum battery pack is upgraded to 8x 2500 mAh batteries, and it only takes 4 to 5 hours to fully charge. It adopts an excellent cyclone system which can effectively capture 99.9% of tiny dust particles and discharge clean air after purification. 3. BuTure JR700. Compared with traditional vacuum cleaners, BuTure cordless vacuum is equipped with a color touchscreen and features 3 cleaning modes. 4. Pipette-ready cordless vacuum cleaner. This stick vacuum cleaner is suitable for a large area cleaning, and the handheld mode is for cleaning the sofa, bed, cars, etc. 5. INS S9. This cordless vacuum performs perfectly on hardwood floors, low and middle pile carpets, tile and marble. 6. prettycare W400. It features double cyclone filter that provides secondary refiltration so that no dust can escape upright vacuum cleaner and your notice. 7. BISSELL Featherweight. It has 10.8 volts lithium-ion battery. The battery takes just 4.5 hours to fully charge, giving you up to 20 minutes of cordless run time. 8. Eureka Rapid Clean Pro. It features dust cup to the front, so you can lay the vacuum completely flat to reach under beds and furniture with ease. 9. VacTidy Blitz V9. This vacuum has a powerful brushless motor that provides strong suction power that instantly captures dust, debris and pet hairs. 10. ORFELD V20. This rechargeable stick vacuum provides up to 35 minutes phase-free strong suction, which ensures whole home deep cleaning conveniently. For more detailed information, check the link below.